What we see here is a framing system by expert TÜNKERS, built modularly from all the products we make. Again, CAM-based. This is a flexible framing system for up to 8 model types. You now see the storage area, which can be designed as a 2-level structure, and then, as I said, can deliver up to 8 model types here. The changeover time is approximately 16 seconds from model type to model type, so you are always able to run a random mix of the body at a 60-second cycle time. This means that one framing gate will be provided while still welding, then switch with the flow of the body into the frame. This system allows for significantly shorter realization times, and I believe that this is essential to become ready for series production more quickly or accelerated. The company SEW over there supported us in the creation of our dual-rail shuttle with recuperation. Dominic Glaser will present it.